Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your carousel post on Instagram. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to click on the lower middle side of the settings with the plus sign. Then you want to select the images. As you can see, I can select multiple images, but the small tip over here is that you want to click on the double square on the lower right corner. You see the double square, you click on the double square and now you can select multiple images. In our case, we're going to select a couple of images and then we can proceed by clicking next on the top right corner. Then you can actually adjust the brightness, the filters. You can make it more brighter, darker, cooler, warmer. It's up to you guys. You want to make sure the theme is nice. Then you see the top middle side of the menu. There is a note sign. This is a pro tip that I'm going to give you for free. You can actually add music by clicking on the top middle side of the screen. This is where you can actually select a theme song. Imagine you're on vacation in the mountains, you just take plenty of images of the snow and the forest, and then you go back and you want to create a special Christmas theme, right? You just add the music. As you can see, we have on the top very nice Christmas songs. You add this song to your Christmas carousel with 3, 4, 5, 6 images from the mountain, from the snow, from the trees, and you essentially have, if not the perfect post. This is very important because remember, the length of your post in the duration has to match with the length of the song. You have to adjust the length of each to align. Next thing you want to do is you want to click next on the top right corner when you finish editing, and there this is where the magic happens. If you simultaneously decide to change the music, you do not have to go back on the previous menu. If you want to change the song, all you gotta do is to scroll down, and there is a special section that is called Add Music. This will simply let you to change the song at the last step right over here. You don't have to lose your progress and you don't have to go back. You can change the song from here, and then when you're ready, just add a new song and proceed with posting. Don't forget to include, as usual, your metadata and all the necessary hashtags. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.